Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Resident Evil Requiem game crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, launching failed problem, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4, and after following the 4 steps you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each steps. So here we go. Step 1, make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2, clear Resident Evil Requiem's cache files. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Now look for the Resident Evil Requiem game and highlight it. Then press the menu button and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data, reserve space and then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click delete from console when deleting. Step 3, clear persistent storage. So go to Xbox settings, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. If you don't see these features in your Xbox, then skip these steps. Step 4, clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now after following all 4 steps, you can launch the Resident Evil Requiem game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account that you want to remove, select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account and after adding your account, launch the Resident Evil Requiem game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, continue. Then restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check if it solves the problem or not. Fix 4 is to run Resident Evil Requiem game from store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. To do this, type Resident Evil Requiem in the search bar and click on it and then click on launch game and check. Fix 5, change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 in secondary DNS. And then save it, then launch the game and check. If that doesn't help, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1, then save it and then again relaunch the game and check. Fix 6 is to reinstall Resident Evil Requiem game. This is the last solution. If nothing seems to work, then uninstall Resident Evil Requiem game from your Xbox, then restart your Xbox and then fresh reinstall the game and then you can go ahead launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve a Resident Evil Requiem game crashes at startup, not launching, freezing problem, won't launch issue, launching failed problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.